not even sure if I like it. Yeah, I slayed this. Been definitely a huge adjustment. Yes, I'm out of the house. The life of having a baby. J2 holiday. This was my childhood. Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday. My name is Jeanine Amapola Ward, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name's Jeanine. I moved to Oklahoma 6 months ago. I have a 3-month-old baby. My husband's in law school, and I'm trying to figure out this whole new life of postpartum and being a law student's wife, and also balancing my own life. And so, welcome to the crazy mess in this journey. My mother-in-law is currently watching my son Duke, and I'm getting 2 hours to myself, which I'm super excited. I just got to the gym. I'm gonna get a workout in. I have not worked out very much in postpartum. I've probably worked out, this is maybe my 5th time in postpartum, which is crazy. Considering I used to work out all the time, like 4 to 5 times a week, and now it's like, oh, 5 times in 3 months. That's okay. This is just all part of the new thing. I'm gonna go get a workout in. I'm gonna give you guys some house updates, show you guys the new paint situation, because if you haven't been following me for a while, maybe you have. I repainted my living room and kitchen. I had a whole paint saga situation where all the wrong colors were getting picked. Had to repaint some rooms. It took me over 3 months to pick a paint color for my living room, and I'm not even sure if I like it. I know. Okay, we'll get to that later. Let's go work out. Woo, it's hot, but we're doing it. Here we go. Hi guys, I completely forgot to vlog because today was a complete wash. Duke was not having it today. I did most of today trying to get him to stop crying, trying to get him to feed. It was a little bit of a harder day, so we took a nap on the couch. Caleb is back home. I just cooked us dinner, which let me show you guys this. Oh yes, I will link the recipe down below. It's so good. Milk coming right up for Duke. Bubba's hungry. Here, baby. He likes milky.
Big milk guy here.
Mm-hmm. The biggest.
The biggest.
Guys, look how good this looks. Yeah, I slayed this. I cannot wait to have this. Bon appetit. Link will be down below. Yep, that looks pretty dang good.
Dude, are you impressed?
He should be. I think I have the cutest baby, but I am biased. Oh, yes. Let's eat. Caleb got me hooked on Big Brother, so we're watching this. This show is actually pretty good, I'm not gonna lie.
It's so good.
You've been watching since you were like 12, right?
Yes.
So crazy. I never understood the hype, but I get it now.
I should be studying right now, but.
Good morning, guys. I woke up about 8 a.m. It is now 9:30. Duke is playing over here on his little play mat while I make some quick breakfast. I always make an oatmeal because oats apparently support milk production. That's what we're doing. I'll show you guys what I put in it. It's very simple. And I make this almost every day. And I just love it. I love it so much. It's kind of like my own little self-made lactation recipe. So Caleb is at law school. He has 1 class today. We are going on a double date tonight, and I'm super excited. So I am on Duke duty. He is in his little rocker right now. I put on these things on the TV for him, which they're like learning videos for 3-month-old babies, which is so great because he loves them. He watches them. I filmed an entire morning routine for my Instagram today, so you guys can go check that out. It's like literally a realistic morning routine with a 3-month-old. And I barely got to put any makeup on, so I kind of want to get ready because Caleb and I have to film a podcast when he gets back. I'm out of breath for some reason, and I want to like do a little bit of more makeup. I'm gonna try on some outfits. I'm gonna show you guys some cute stuff that I got from Spanx, and then I'm also gonna show you guys finally the updated paint color. As you guys can kind of see, it already looks different, as you guys can probably tell. I'll give you guys my thoughts on that as well. Okay, so Duke is taking a nap. I got him down and I got some work done, which is good. And I'm ready to show you guys the paint. Now you guys can already tell the paint color is different. It was like a really dark gray color, which I can easily show you guys right right now because it's still the same color in the entryway. So it's like this gray color, and I've never liked it since the second I moved in. It's not terrible, but I don't personally like it. I ended up repainting this room the color Snowbound, which, oh my goodness, my pool reflects so much on this wall. I loved the color in here. And so this is kind of how it looks in my formal living room, which this is starting to come together. Right now I like it, but I'm definitely gonna change out this coffee table. I wanna get like a big square one. I've been looking on Facebook Marketplace for a while. So I'm gonna try to sell this, but that's how the paint looks in here. And then you go into my kitchen. This is what it looks like in my kitchen. Now the cabinets, I wish they were a little taller because in the shadows, it does cast a more like grayish dark tone. So eventually we're gonna extend these cabinets up. But this is what it looks like, and I actually really like it. I think the color's perfect in here. I like how it looks kind of creamy and warm up there. It's not just like a stark white. That's what I basically wanted. So here's what it looks like with just completely natural light. Now you can see in different tones again. It looks kind of gray, dark here, but that's whatever. I actually really like it. Here's what the coffee nook looks like, and I really like this as well. It looks really beautiful over here. I love just the creaminess of it. It just completely like brightens up the whole space. So I just gotta get bar stools here now, but I'm loving the way this is looking. Not gonna lie, when I first saw the color, when I did the living room, I was actually like very disappointed because it looked still gray for some reason. Like Caleb came home and he was like, babe, this looks the same, which it doesn't. As you guys can see, like the opening entryway color compared to this is completely different. I found out it does have a grayish undertone in certain lightings. Today is a warmer day, so it doesn't look as gray. I think the couch does something where it makes it look kind of gray too, but I'll show you guys. Here's what it looks like in my living room, and goes all the way up. And as you guys can see, it is no longer gray. Eventually I'll be getting rid of this and swapping that out, but I think it looks really, really good. And I am overall very happy with the way it turned out. Eventually I've decided I am going to swap out this coffee table and this rug. I want to brighten up the space. I'm going to add a big piece of art, and I have an entire breakfast nook I'm going to be adding back here. That's the table for it, which I was going to keep that table, but the wood just looks so fake that I think I'm going to swap that out as well and return it. But here's what it looks like. I think once I redecorate and style, I think it's gonna look really, really awesome. So just stay tuned for that. But for now, this is what it looks like. I can't wait to kind of keep working on this room because I just feel like this is too dark. And a lot of the comments also in the last vlog were, you were like, change out the rug, change out the coffee table, and I kind of agree. I also ended up kind of brightening up some of the pillows, which I think that's made a huge, huge difference. And so these are all just like Target and Amazon, which is great. I have the chairs back here for the breakfast table. It's gonna have a chair here, 2 benches so it can slide in, and then a big piece of art. But overall, you guys, I think it's really pretty. No more paint swatches. I cannot believe the paint saga has finally come to a conclusion. I do plan on painting the entryway and all of that down the road. I'm just trying to get a good quote and wait a little bit because this was a very big process. But honestly, I was very impressed. They did it in 2.5 days. Like, they knocked it out. I was very, very impressed, and they did amazing. It just makes the room look so much bigger and brighter, and I love it. Look at my sweet little boy just sleeping away. So Caleb is coming back right now from law school, which if you guys don't know, my husband's in law school. This was his first like full official week, which we'll talk more about that later. But it's crazy, him being in law school and us having a newborn. It's been definitely a huge adjustment, but I've also just been very thankful that the Lord blessed him with him getting in school, and that's what we prayed for, and it happened, and so that's a huge blessing. But we are going on a double date tonight. So my sister-in-law's coming to watch Duke tonight, which I'm super thankful for. Again, big reason why we moved here was family. But I'm gonna show you guys a haul really fast of some cute clothing I got from Spanx, and they're so, so cute, you guys. Here's the first outfit that I'm wearing from Spanx. It is this cute jumpsuit. Now, I have gotten so many compliments on this because I've worn this so much already. I love these because not only are they comfortable, they're versatile. You can wear this really anywhere. Maybe you're picking your kids up from school, you're going to work, you're on the go doing errands. I absolutely love this, and I just feel like it's so flattering. It cinches in here at the waist, and I cannot stress how soft and comfortable this is. So absolutely love this. Here is the first one. Here's the next one. Love this. I love the color red. It is so flattering and so soft. This is part of their Air Essentials collection, and so this is meant for kind of being on the go, or maybe you're even traveling. So I have a trip coming up, and I will definitely be rocking this on the plane because It is so comfortable, you guys. I love it. Here's what it looks like. I just love this color. And this comes in multiple different colors. So I wish you guys could feel this material. It is so nice. And it's just so flattering. The length is perfect on my legs too. Look at that. This one you're gonna be shook at because these have no buttons or no zippers. These are their everywhere jeans. They are so flattering. I lost my butt in pregnancy and these actually like lift and make me look like I kind of have a booty. They're wide leg. These might be my new favorite jeans, you guys, like legit. I'm gonna show you guys the bottom. They go down here to the floor and they're so flattering. And I have very long legs. These just flatter my legs so well. And they also suck in my tummy, which I need right now. Okay, last but not least, this is their tank midi dress, which looks so cute. I'm probably gonna wear this on the date tonight. It's very flattering. It has this jersey material on top, pockets here. And I feel like you could totally dress this up or dress this down. You can use sneakers with this, or you can throw on some sandals, which I'll probably do tonight. So I just love how versatile all these looks are. And it also like pulls up my girls, which I also need right now. It's so cute. I love this. So if you want to check these out, just click the link down below. You guys will get 15% off your first order plus free shipping by just clicking my link. I think you guys are gonna love these. Definitely check these out. And I'm totally wearing this on my date tonight. Duke is being taken care of by his auntie Tay Tay. Be a good boy for her, okay? Don't be too fussy. I love you. Bye-bye. It is time for date night. Super excited. These are moments we're gonna cherish so much more since you're in law school now. And also like getting out of the house for me is like a treat. I'm like, yes, I'm out of the house. I'm super excited. Why don't you tell everybody how your first week has been at school so far?
Exciting, scary, confusing. Some moments I'm like, oh, okay, I think I'm understanding this. And then I go to class and I'm like, wait a sec. I have no idea what's going on. But when I think about it, I was talking to my cousin on the phone. I know all about personal jurisdiction and battery and what constitutes an intentional tort and the elements of intent that you need to cause, intent to cause harmful and offensive contact, but you also need to have substantial knowledge that the contact was intentional, that resulted in harmful and offensive contact, and then applying the rules of the case to those elements and principles.
Now you're just flexing on us.
I'm able, like, it's funny, I'm able to say that, but then when I go to class, all that means nothing. Because the professor will ask you a question that says, okay, I know that you know the rule of battery and the elements of battery, so how do you apply that to a situation that is da-da-da-da-da, and you're like, oh, I know how to memorize it, and I know how to, but I don't really actually understand what the heck I'm saying. I'm just saying things that I've memorized. So to get to where your brain actually understands, it's like if you learn a new language, you learn Spanish. It's like, yeah, you can memorize Spanish, but if you don't know what the words mean, then you just memorize a bunch of words. And so
yeah,
that's kind of how I feel right now.
Honestly, it's been kind of crazy. It's been like a whole new routine and schedule. He's gone pretty much 7 to 6, sometimes 7 to 7. Pretty crazy. We're trying to figure out this whole new routine in life, and I'm eventually gonna have to get some help because it is hard with him being gone this long, and also me still needing to work and do multiple things. I think I've told you guys on my Instagram if you're following me, but I'm in the process of writing my second book, and that deadline is coming up, and I am very behind, and so we will be looking probably just for some help. We do have family here, that's been great, but I think we just need some consistent help, and so that's probably like what we'll do kind of going forward, just to make sure that I'm still working, that we still have help with the house and help with Duke and stuff a little bit, just so that everything still flows, and so we will try to figure that out here soon. But anyway, we're going to dinner with one of his law school buddies. Yeah. So I don't know who they are, but I'm excited to get to know them. And you said his name is Zach?
Yeah.
Okay, dope. Well, let's go. I just realized I had lip gloss underneath my lip the entire time, so just disregard that. Happy Saturday, guys. Today has been very chaotic. I have been trying to leave the house literally since 1 p.m. and it is now almost 6 p.m. The life of having a baby. I wanted to go thrifting today and now it's like almost nighttime. I've just been trying to get out of the house, but he has been crying, or then I would need to put him down for a nap and I would feed him and then he wouldn't stay asleep. and so it's been a little hard, but I'm gonna still, after I feed him, I'm just gonna take him with me. We're just gonna make the best of it. Cause I really wanted to go try to find some like stuff for my house from some thrift stores. I just think I've been waiting for the right moment and there hasn't really been the right moment. And so it's almost 6 o'clock now. I'm gonna try to go thrifting, show you guys what I find and if I find anything. And so Caleb is studying right now. We're gonna have a little night to ourselves tonight again, but I wanted to like get out of the house today. So it's just been a little difficult. Okay, I'm at Salvation Army and they actually have some really cute decor. I found this picture frame that I really like. Duke is making noises over here and there's some Gen Zers quoting TikTok behind me. Jet 2 holiday. Are you good, bub? Oh, he's starting to get fed up with his car seat. Okay, I'm at this antique mall now. They have so much stuff here. It's so great. Like there's so much to look at. So many unique little pieces. I love this chair. That's so cute. I'm like, is that for sale? That's so cute. Is it expensive? Okay, $78. That's not terrible. This is so cute. If they had 2 of these, I would 100% buy them. I'm like so obsessed with that. Everything is so pretty. This was definitely the move coming here. Oh, I like this lamp. This lamp is so cool. $55. It's so cool. I kind of want it. Okay, this place is honestly just so fun to like walk around and look at. Like I'm seeing Sour Patch Kids. I don't know if you guys remember these. This was my childhood. Cabbage Patch Doll, that's what it's called. This was my childhood. It was so crazy being in this section and seeing things from my childhood here. It's just so cute. It's just fun to like stroll around here. I'm back home. The house is a mess, but I'll show you guys really quickly what I got and then I gotta feed my son. Okay, here's everything I got. I feel like this is pretty good. So I got this cute little dish. I think I'm gonna put it in the bookshelves over there, but I just thought this was so cute. I got this picture frame, which love this vibe. I'm gonna put this in my formal living room. Candlesticks, I got these for literally $1.99 and these are gonna go on my dining room table. And then I got this for Caleb's office. I thought this was so cool and it totally fits his office vibe. Babe, are you in the middle of something? I just wanna show you what I got you for your office. Isn't this cool? It's like a vintage golf piece of art that you can put somewhere. I just thought it was really cool. Like you could hang it above like there or like cover that speaker or something.
Awesome.
Isn't that cool?
It almost would look cool outside too.
No, it's vintage. You can't put that in the rain. I just thought it was really cool to add like on one of your bookshelves or something.
We need to like decorate this.
Yeah, we do. All right, guys, it is the next day. I'm going to finally close out on this vlog. I feel like this was very chaotic. I'm sorry. It's Sunday. We did church this morning. About to go wake up Duke from his nap and go run to the store. I'm wearing my little Spanx jumpsuit, so you guys definitely check this out. The link will be down below. I hope you guys have a great week. I will see you guys next week for another vlog. I try to post every Thursday. I've been a little spotty because life has been so chaotic, but I will try to keep posting. Love you guys. Thank you for hanging out with me, and I'll see you next week for another, I was gonna say episode. This is not an episode. Another YouTube video. Peace out, Girl Scout. Bye, guys.